What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another one of those farm upkeep videos, focusing on the front piece of the farm, what everyone sees from the street. Now, I haven't done one of these videos in a couple of weeks, and it's because I've been busy doing other sorts of projects. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting all of the weeds out, more of them, and I'm going to be throwing out some of these horrific looking green giant arborvitaes. Like, I'm going to show you guys these. They look terrible. They're pretty much dead, all of them. There might be like 3 or 4 that I could probably save, but other than that, they all need to go. And I need to just make this area as clean as possible before doing anything else, because there's no reason to have it. So before we get started, could you guys please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Also, I'm really trying to get to 500 subscribers, because then I can start doing community posts. And those are important because I want to interact with you guys more. But I also started an Instagram. The Instagram will be like right here or something like that. Also, you can go to the link in my bio, and there's my Instagram as well. So I'm just going to start by doing a little bit more of weeding right on the roadside, just because there's a lot of plants that have overgrown and it just doesn't look good. So we're going to get those out of the way. Then we're going to sweep up all the leaves. And then we're going to start really changing the area a little bit. Now you might be wondering why I'm going through all the trouble of taking these out of their pots, throwing them to the back of the truck, all this stuff. Well, this behind me is prime real estate, right? Think about if I had a bunch of trees that were fully grown here and someone could drive down this driveway and pick out, 100 different trees of all different sorts and kinds. I'm just thinking, like, having things that are dead, using space that is great, it's really problematic for this farm. Things in the back can be dead. For right now, things in the back can be dead because no one's going back there, no one cares. But right now, right here, it needs to be spotless. It needs to be beautiful. It needs to be the best of the best that we have. Then I can worry about the pond and creating a zip line. I have a fantastic idea, by the way. I'm gonna make a separate video about that. But right now, the reason why I'm so obsessed with the facade of the farm is because just everything looks like shit here, so why not make the best of it at the very front? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these that I have and bring them around the back and drop them off there. I'm going to leave about 8 to 10 of them here, just because I feel like those are the best of the best that we have of these kind of trees. And you never know when someone wants to come by and buy a shitty tree. I can't sell anything if there's nothing there to sell. So I'm back here at the leaf pile where I took all the leaves in the front of the property and brought them out here. I'm actually gonna give up on that kind of project from now on, because I learned that you could just sweep the leaves to the street and then the town will pick them up, which is, I don't know how I didn't know that. But yeah, so this area is actually just gonna turn into like compost and just junk, like things that I don't want anymore, things that like bad trees, whatever. Hopefully it'll turn into compost. I really don't know a lot about compost. It's something that I really need to research about and learn more about. Supposedly I have a ton of compost around the corner, but I really don't know. So I'm just gonna leave the leaves like this. I'm going to start putting anything that's dead back here and hope it just turns into mulch or something like that. I think I'm gonna coin the new name for that area as the graveyard, because like everything, you know, is dead over there. I also think that I'm gonna like ask my girlfriend, because she's smart and good at art, to like draw me a map of this place, because on all of my videos, I want to have an ability to show you guys where I am on the map and really show you guys what's going on. We're gonna take all of the leaves and push it to the road, get rid of all these weeds over here, and kind of we're gonna work in sections. Like this was a section, now we're gonna clean off this section right here, we're gonna clean off this section next, and we're gonna break it up into smaller pieces so it's a little bit easier to digest over time. Look at this. It literally just took me like 20 minutes to get this thing out of the ground. Just one giant root of this random tree that I had. Well, I'm glad that that's over now. I have to finish off the end right over there, and then I'll be done with this section, which is great. I just got a bunch of pots right here. I'm gonna deal with that in some other time. But yeah, let's get going. All right, everyone, so we have the finished product here. It's behind me. As you guys can see, there is a ton of open space now. We've come a long way in a very short amount of time, I believe, just in a couple of videos, honestly. And I'm very grateful for that. Also, if you guys are interested, I do have affiliate links in my bio now. If you guys have seen my work gloves that I use in my videos, let me see if I can get a pair. These ones with the blue. You can go to the link in my bio and buy yourself a pair, and I get a piece from Amazon because capitalism. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.